Good afternoon. This is Thursday, April 2nd, and this is Darnell Siegers, Mayor of the District of Sechelt. Here are a couple of issues we know are being discussed in the community. Local residents, or those with second homes here, have been having gatherings and may continue gathering on the weekend or during the upcoming Easter holiday. Please don't. We ask that everyone heed the advice of Canada's Chief Public Health Officer and stay home. If the Sunshine Coast is not your primary residence, please stay at your primary residence. Do not go back and forth between residences. Healthcare facilities and other essential services on the Sunshine Coast, like grocery stores, gas stations, etc., are only able to manage with the current residents, and an influx of visitors will strain the system and put people at risk. The COVID-19 situation is actively monitored, and the Sunshine Coast will be open for visitors as soon as it is safe to do so. I've also been asked to address the wearing of homemade face masks in the community. This has been raised with Dr. Bonnie Henry, the Provincial Medical Health Officer. At this time, the concerns she has expressed are the false sense of security they would provide to those who are wearing the face masks. It may result in a decrease in adherence to the requirements for physical distancing. Also, she has not indicated how effective the masks are and who they are effective for. There is concern that wearing a mask may make people touch their face more often. Saying all that, should you choose to wear a face mask while out doing your essential tasks, continue to maintain the physical distance of 6 feet from others around you, and wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. If you are a community member impacted by the COVID-19 situation and are in need of basic day-to-day supplies, food, transportation, etc., please reach out to the Sunshine Coast Community Task Force for assistance. You can contact the task force by phone, toll-free, at 1-866-212-5025. The phone will be manned from 10 till 2, Monday through Friday. You can also leave a voicemail. If you prefer to send an email, the email address is scctaskforce@gmail.com. And I want to thank those individuals and groups who've recognized the need and are stepping up to support the community. Going forward, continue to stay updated on local news. The Emergency Operations Bulletin is published Monday, Wednesday, and Friday each week. Lori Pratt and I are both doing videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays of each week. And Mayor Bill Beamish is also posting a message frequently on the Town of Gibson's website. Check out the local government websites. We're also sharing all this information on Facebook as well. For those of you reaching out with questions, issues, concerns during this situation, thank you for bringing those to our attention. The Sunshine Coast is a fabulous community. Yes, because of the environment around us, but also because of the amazing people who live here. If you are out and about shopping for your essential items or taking in one of our many trails or beach accesses, if you happen upon someone doing the same, don't hesitate to greet them and have a very brief chat. Just because we are maintaining physical distancing doesn't mean we can't still share our great Sunshine Coast hospitality. We do care about our friends and neighbors, and it's okay to show it. Just ensure you do it from 6 feet apart.